Welcome back. Last week you saw that I cleaned off all the decks and got them kind of set up for summer. Today I'm going to go out and do a little bit of shopping just to get some finishing touches to make these spaces look better and more cozy and homey. So yeah, we're going to head out to a few stores and see what we can find. So I'm back from shopping. I went to several stores, got a few different things. So I'm going to do a quick haul of everything I got. So at Lowe's, I got this pot to put on this table. And then I got these flowers to put in that pot. I also got this hanging basket from Lowe's. I knew there was a hook on the front porch, but I completely forgot about it until I was washing the house off, so wanted to get a hanging plant for that. I also got several solar lights to place around all the decks. From Marshall, I got this rug to put at the side door. I really like the design of it and how it's black. It also doesn't say something generic like all the other ones. And then at Hobby Lobby, I got this wreath and a wreath hook. Hobby Lobby already has their fall stuff out and some of their Christmas stuff, which is kind of frustrating. It's not even the first day of summer yet, and apparently it's already fall to them. So we have been getting some good storms and a lot of wind lately, so I am going to have to blow the decks off again. That is the one frustrating thing about having trees, is there's constantly debris. So I'm going to blow everything off really quick, and then we're going to start placing all these things. So I wanted to get something for this little table, but I couldn't find anything that I liked that wasn't super expensive, so I just decided to not get anything. But we also need to get rid of this windsurfing board. I'm not really sure how we're going to do that, because obviously it doesn't fit in the garbage can, and it needs fiberglass, so cutting it up might be a little bit difficult. So yeah, that's unfortunately just going to live here for the time being. I didn't buy anything for the back deck. I wasn't trying to buy a whole patio set today and spend a ton of money, but also when we redo this deck, we want to screen this one in, and then I would probably get some pretty nice patio furniture. So yeah, I didn't want to waste the money today. So it just got a few lights for this back walkway, and that's all I'm doing back here. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. It was probably kind of short, but I really did just want to get some finishing touches for the decks. I'm really loving how the front deck and the side deck are turning out, especially the side deck, because that is our main entrance. And that does become a catch-all the easiest. So yeah, I'm really going to keep on top of it and make sure that we don't leave stuff everywhere. But yeah, I'm really loving how this has turned out. It just seems more welcoming and comforting, and like I actually want to spend time outside. But with that, I will see you next week.